Everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you Thursday night review Posture Corrector, and it is adjustable size, quality neoprene, and stand tall and confident, and amazing posture corrector. And then it shows your posture in here. Pretty much doesn't have a lot of information. It's adjustable size though. So I'm going to try to put it on. How's everybody doing tonight? I am fine. I'm just kind of tired, and I don't know why. I was supposed to go to the doctor's and I didn't feel good, and that really is where I should have gone, but I made the appointment for Tuesday. So but the little girls were here today, and we had some time together for a little while till their dad picked them up. So let's see about this. I think I got it on right. Need a little bit more space here. So you can mobilize it so that you can get it to fit you. So let's try it now. I think I'm going to do it this way. Now, it's gotten kind of cold and damp here. Not my favorite kind of weather when it gets like that. But, there you go. I'm going to have to let this one out a little bit more. There you go. So, this is it. And I guess it does help you brace your back a little bit. So, I'm liking it. Actually, my granddaughter has 2 of them. And I just wanted one just to see where I might be in my posture thing. But anyway, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will leave comments in the comment section also. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.